Welcome back, ladies and gents. With Chris. Boys are on the way to go fetch a little gem today. Not for me, it's for another homie, the one that you guys know already. Drives the black 33 sometimes and the 1J S6, the silver one. We go fetch something special today, so I'll hope everybody's been having a great week. It's been a while. I've actually forgot that I needed to vlog this week, I'm not gonna lie. Not too sure where this video might end because there might be content Saturday after work, there might not. So if it ends today, I'm sorry, but here's some content and I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, there's an 8. Nice. What did we see? What did we stumble upon? Okay. Alrighty, so we had to skip this whole turn-off and go back up to the Brooklyn turn-off to make a U-turn for the lads. There's a dog out in the back. No, it's fine, I'm not blaming you, I'm just saying hi to you on the vlog. Oh, Chris is out here talking about turboing the EG. I'm just trying to find my bearings. After the car, like, leave me alone, it's a Nissan. You understand this. No. Speaking of Nissans, I hate spiders, lads, but can you see what we've got here? Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is the gym. Just gotta get some air in these tires, yeah? Because that thing is all open. Yeah, just to cover the carbs, sir, but... What's going on here, dog? What you doing, sir?
You know, speaking some spider webs away, man. It's a bit creepy.
Can't cope. Anyway, here's the gym. This is an L28. Something nice. It's fine, I'm telling you, there's no plates. Side. I just had to get that shot, you know, of all the cars that I've towed, I've had it like this. Alrighty, we ready? We're ready, sir. We got a friend, guys. We like it. I actually forgot. This trunk container turns into Jan's Mats and it just goes like all the way to where we need to go. All the way to... but it's fun. It's fine. Now I just need to remember what turn of it is into his driveway. But we got a pretty girl behind us, guys. Ah! Yeah, see, lads. So, shame, man, poor dog. It was like a movie. Like he pulled the car in there at home and then everybody was like, oh, this shit box. No. What is this? What's happening? Like, if they don't convince him to sell it, I'm sure that everybody's gonna see the potential eventually. But anyway, I might end the vlog here. So if after this clip it's me saying safe. What's up, ladies and gents? It's Saturday. Just adding a little something to the vlog. We are out at Dynamic Car Wash, starting up. We're gonna have the page running soon and whatnot. Tosh plugged me with this one. Just doing some photos and whatnot. Getting the car wash started. Engine on Wetton Road. Engine on Wetton Road. Everybody knows it. Like if you're coming from Wetton Circle side or down the road from Wendard Mall, this is the spot. Flipping great quality. Not gonna lie. Like I'm not just hyping it up because I don't even get my car washed. Nathan got his car washed and I'm not even gonna lie, they clean it better than what I do. So that's a good thing. So I actually forgot to vlog it, but we're all gonna go see something special after this and I'll add that to the vlog too. Hope you guys enjoyed your Saturday though. It's a minute clip, this is weird. I don't usually do this, but I'm talking in front of camera around people. So that's ups and confidence. Just take a look at this quality, lads. Like, okay, yes, it's a BM. The interiors are relatively clean, but like, pretty. And very well done. So what do you think about this wash?
Nah, solid, good quality.
Damn, I-20 this clean? I'm out driving because it's in the rain. Huh? That was a joke and here it starts drizzling. Ah! It's fine, it's fine. That was a sponsored wash. Yeah, so we're good, we're good. So now I'm driving again, but look at the weather, look. Because I'm driving, the weather's opening up.
But when you got into the driver's seat, it started raining.
Ladies and gents, let's go up against the glass. Oh, there's an SVJ, lads. Are you nuts?
I couldn't get to the word, man.
What? So, thoughts?
That 63 though.
Fact, that 63 was crazy.
You get?
I don't know if I got it because I was listening to a voice note. But yo, the flipping SVJ and the color and everything. Oh my word. Oh my word.
I was parking here behind now.
Yeah, and that's maintenance bay. Me catching Nathan lacking. Anyway, he couldn't be lacking, I just told. In front of people. And they laughed. I was like, I have to laugh. That's pretty. Damn. Fuck. Look at this man's. Where is he? Where's he at? Whoa. You're doing four-leaf. Anyway, I don't know. Why are you drinking 2 Red Bulls? Yo. I'm a gym rat. Are you nuts? Whoa. That man just floated. Yo! There's a where is it? There, the white arches on the GRD Yaris. You're doing the things, man. Swing! Someone shoot him out of the air. Oh fuck. There's altijd te doen, but oh my word. Hey, here's Eddie's car. Nice. Alrighty lads, so we are just gonna go get some surprise action for the night. As inappropriate as that sounds, what we are doing is very legal.
In some states.
Alrighty ladies and gents, this is Church over here. It's got a very fast S3. This is what's happening tonight, but I did not expect this one. It's on the ground. What are we doing in life? So we've done the G80, now it's the F80. There's 2 planes in the sky, but listen to this. Yes, like it. Traction question mark. If you know me, and it's not like yes, but flip, it's HREs and daily driven for you guys. Okay, ladies and gents, back in that club. Right, you pulled up the car wash now, ladies and gents. Over Ty's car wash, check him out on Instagram. Tosh pulled up, myself and Enzo over here, and then we've got the 80 in the back, super fast. Don't pull up on that thing. Tosh, you're gonna say away to the mensen. It's pretty windy. You're gonna say away to the mensen.
Away to the mensen.
This is Uncle Zach. If you catch this man driving an 80, don't take him on. Don't take him on. And then you get Joel here. Joel just catching nonsense with his car.
Stop.
This is the owner of Ty's car wash, ladies and gents. Oh, we're gonna go first. Get in the fast car. Yes, Tosh. Are you also vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, hard. So here, sit behind Anzio because the pump. No man, it's not opening.
Oh yeah, so you must tell your fans that that seat's not available.
Lola getting a young scrub. Shout out Ty. Excuse the high window is now, but as you can see they already done the pre on the wheels. Woo. Also this Mark 1's door handles work, no? But this color also is just fresh. Just the BTS of that Ty's car wash. Ooh, get that laces. Yes sir. Just cutting with Tosh. Woo! Ladies and gents, we were going to go to that all VW park off, I think. What happened at Velodrome, but it died out pretty quickly, so we're just gonna go chill Bazak. So this is the end of this week's vlog. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, let us know down below. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.